Will you still be?
Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to be doing
Okay, you guys, sorry for the cricket noise in the back. That's for my frog. He does like the night sound, so sorry for that cricket noise.
What I eat in the day. So I wanted to go ahead and start off this video. First, I have to do my workout first, but I just wanted to start off the video and let you guys know like what's going on. So hey divas, and I hope all is going well. And I also want to give you guys an update, of course, on the lean cuisine diet, as that's what I'll be eating. But as many of you guys know, or if you don't know because you didn't watch my weight loss journey or my previous video that I recently uploaded, I do not okay, like eating breakfast. But when I work out, I can have like a smoothie juice or like a smoothie or maybe like fruits or something. And this morning I'm going to share that with you guys. So yeah, and it's actually by Teamiblends and it's really good, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. But let me go and do my workout and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I just finished my workout, so excuse me if I'm like a little bit out of breath. But anyways, now I am a little bit hungry, but I'm not like hungry for solid, so I just want some type of protein, just because I do need to incorporate that. You know, I've been told, especially by nutritionalists, that is that how you say it? I don't know how to talk, but they said it's not healthy for me to not have any type of protein or anything that I need for breakfast, even though I'm a person that does not really like breakfast. So I have this TEAMI protein powder, which I'm gonna grab it and show you guys. Okay, so this is like my little TEAMI cabinet, but it's really like messy right now, so excuse that. But anyway, so we are going to be having the TEAMI Wellness. I absolutely love this superfood blend. Like, it's so freaking bomb, but I'm going to give it a rest because we need to try something new. I actually tried this and it's really good, the way that I make it. So I'm gonna tell you guys like how I make it, but I don't have my little blender thing yet, so I'll show you guys that in another video. But I'm gonna tell you exactly like what I do, and it's really simple because I like a more liquidy consistency. Hey you guys, so I just get original coconut milk. Now you can get the sugar-free one, but I just love this coconut milk. I do still eat dairy products, but they do bother my stomach. I don't eat them a lot because obviously like they make me sick, but this is the milk that I rely on now because I don't drink milk anymore, not regular milk. And I try to stay away from dairy as much as possible because obviously it hurts me, which that's the cool thing about this. I'm actually going to leave a video directly from Teamiblends telling you guys all about this protein mix, just so that I make sure I don't forget anything. So if you guys want to know all about it, the video is not long at all. It's about 2 minutes. So if you want to know everything about this protein mix, I will go ahead and place that in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. Of course, I'm going to tell you guys how this makes me feel and how it affects me and everything, but in order for you guys to understand it, I think you guys should watch that little quick 2-minute video from TEAMI. Anywho, this is the mixture that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have my coconut milk, of course, my TEAMI Wellness protein, and then I'm going to have 2 packets of stevia. Okay, this is basically a natural sugar and it's no calorie, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have 2 packs of that, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once I mix it all up. Hey guys, so here is my little mixed drink. I like mine more liquidy, so yeah, if you like yours a little bit more thick, you could probably add like a banana or something to make it more thick. I don't know, I just like my liquidy consistency, so actually don't even listen to me on that. But anyways, I did go ahead and add a few ice cubes in there as well. So yeah, like literally like 4. So it was the TEAMI Wellness, coconut milk, stevia, and 4 ice cubes. That is really good. Like I kid you not, like if you're gonna try this, first of all, if you're gonna try this TEAMI Wellness powder, definitely make sure you guys use my code because you will get 25% off, okay? And who doesn't love to save the coin? Yeah, this is really good. So if you are gonna try it, girl, definitely Okay, I play too much. Definitely try with coconut milk. If you don't like coconut milk, maybe try almond milk or just soy milk. It's like, this is really good. Like, I am enjoying, like, and it's good for me. So I just always love like things that are good for you that you can actually enjoy and it doesn't taste like dirt, because this tastes really, really good. But anyways, you guys, I have business to attend to. I have to mail out some packages, and shout out to everybody who purchased some press-on nails from my company. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys don't know, I do own a business called Nail Glam. I sell very affordable, beautiful press-on nails. What is on my lip? But yeah, make sure you guys shop with me if you guys do wear press-on nails, because they're super affordable and they're super cute, and I'm coming out with some new styles. So definitely follow my Nail Glam Instagram for that. But anyways, this protein mix is lit, and like I said before, I will be sharing with you guys how I'm making it and everything. But I am waiting on a product, or I'm waiting on a mixer from TEAMI. So I wanted to show you guys with that, just so that you guys can see how easy it is, and in case you wanted to just, you know, get the mixer and the protein powder and everything all in one, you know. So yeah, and then of course you can use my code for money off of that too. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys everything. I like to just do everything in, like, I don't know, is my lips just crusty or nah? I need to do like the lip scrub. But anyways, I'm going to go take a shower, get to my business, and get the packages ready to mail out, and then I'm gonna have lunch before I go and mail them out. So I will see you guys at lunchtime. Hey you guys, so honestly it is the next day. I had things to do yesterday with my family, so yeah, but we are just gonna pick up where we left off from yesterday, which is lunchtime. So today I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch. If you guys don't know, I am gonna be having a lean cuisine for lunch and dinner, because I started the lean cuisine diet, if you will, just because I wanted to see if you can lose weight with them, and also because they are an easier alternative. My life is a little bit busy, or a lot of it busy lately, so I'm just like, and it seems like it's like that all the time. Meal prep takes a long time, so yeah. And then I will put a video in the description box below where I share with you guys like all that stuff, because I'm not even sure if I talked about this yesterday already. Hopefully not, so I'm not repetitive. But anyways, it'll be a link in the description box below to share with you guys that video on, you know, like me starting lean cuisine and all that stuff. So this is just merely an update. So anyways, back to the what I eat in the day. This is lunch for me, so let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be having today. Today we are going to be having a lean cuisine favorites, which this is actually one of my favorites, so they categorize it perfectly. This is the Swedish Meatballs. I absolutely love the way this one tastes. Like, this is like really hands down one of my favorites. It's only 300 calories and it has a really nice taste, so I really like it. I usually just add like salt or pepper or both, to just to have like give it a little bit of, you know, just that kick, and just because I'm in the habit of doing it, but it doesn't really need it. So yeah, this is one of my absolute favorites. So yeah, this is what we're going to be having for lunch today. Okay you guys, so it is 5:15. I'm not quite ready to eat dinner yet because I'm still full from lunch. Like, that's one thing I do really like about the lean cuisines. Like, they are super filling. But I just filmed a video on this hair and it is so freaking gorgeous. Look at the color. But anyways, this video is about what I eat in a day, not my hair. But if you do want to know about this hair, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So anywho, so I'm not hungry yet because, like I said, I'm full from my lean cuisine that I had earlier. Like, that's one thing I really love about them. They're just so freaking filling. They're so freaking filling, and yeah, that's one thing that I really do love about them. But now I want to have a snack, so I'm just gonna show you guys like what I have for snack. So I'm gonna have some baby carrots. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. Okay, there it is. So I'm gonna have some baby carrots and some watermelon. This watermelon is not that sweet, so I'm gonna add a little bit of stevia to it. But yeah, I already started putting the carrots on my plate. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have a little bit of watermelon, probably like just like a couple pieces because I don't really need that much. Okay, so here's my snack. It's just some watermelon with 2 packets of stevia and then some carrots. So I'll check back in when it's dinner time. Okay, so here it is. So it's it's categorized under features, and this is the pepperoni pizza. This one is 400 calories. So yeah, and this pizza is pretty good. I've had it quite a few times, and it's actually on my favorites list. So yeah, here is the pizza. Okay, you guys, so this is the last meal for my what I eat in a day. The pizza is pretty good, so if you're gonna try any lean cuisines, I would definitely recommend this pizza because it's really, really good. And then they also have another 3-meat one. I would recommend that one too. But yeah, so this is the last meal, and although it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, it is pretty good. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much my what I eat in a day. I hope that you guys have enjoyed and found this video very helpful and easy to follow. I will be going ahead and following you guys up with another weight loss and lean cuisine and all that video. And definitely don't forget about Teamiblends. If you guys want to try out any of their teas or their protein powders or anything like that, I will leave a link in the description box below, as well as my code. You guys can get 25% off if you do go ahead and use the code SHADE25. I'll make sure to annotate it on the screen, or definitely leave it in the description box below, if not both. But thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know where you are in your health and fitness journey, or if you've tried lean cuisine or Teamiblends. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. But yeah, thank you Fabulous Divas so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.